goal is to service delivery greater than or equal to the promises. There is one saying in services marketing, okay, promise what you can service or promise what you can offer. There are five: manage the services promises, manage customer expectations, manage customer education, manage internal marketing communications, and addresses services intangibility. Approaches for addressing the services intangibility. As you know, one of the characteristics of services marketing is intangibility. That means you cannot touch, feel, okay, or sense the product. So what I have to do, use narrative to demonstrate the services experience. That means I'll use the customer testimonials. I have used this app earlier and I'm very happy with this app. Okay, I use the Google Pay and it is more secure than other payment apps. The customer writes the reviews. So what I'm providing is a tangibility to the unified payment interface services provided by the Google Pay. The second one is provide vivid information that has to be visible to the people. The people should say that, like a speed test done by the Airtel. So looking at this is the best, internet connection in India done by some agency, and no other competitor can give this. So that gives the vivid information to the customer, and customer will be attracted towards the Airtel broadband services. Use the interactive imagery. Sometimes, the virtual chat sessions are using this interactive imagery. It feels comfortable to the customer and provides the intangibility. Then focus on the tangibles. Take example of the hotel. The tangible is food. Say idli or dosa or this. Your waiter may not be good sometimes. Your billing section may not be good sometimes. But your quality is so good. People even stand and eat. People stand in the queue and eat and come back. Because the owner has emphasized on the tangibles. Then use the brand icons to make the services tangible. Look at the Maharaja picture of the Air India. The moment you look at the Maharaja picture, people say it's Air India. And brand icons have given the tangibility to the services. Our KFC is, the old man picture that comes. The moment you see from the outside, it's a KFC. Some of the brand icons are providing the services tangibles. You have to use the association, many of the people remember McLaren's or Ducatis because of their association with the Formula One race. So I am addressing the services intangibility. You can also address with the physical representations. Now Flipkart has started the offline stores or offline godowns. Though you can book online, you will get from the Flipkart hubs, okay, very quickly. What they are doing is physical representation to the online retailing. Your documentation, it may be order copy, it may be bills, it may be invoices, or it may be request for the quotations. These are the documents which provides the tangibility to the services provided by the organization. Visualizations, you are demonstrating the services. Look at some of the kiosks provided by the Kano company, like IRCTC kiosk, or the kiosk by the exhibitors, like Amtex or Imtex. They talk about what can be expected from their services. So these visualizations provides the tangibility to the intangibles. The next one is use the services employees in communication, particularly information technology companies like Infosys and data consultancy services or the Cognizant. They okay, take the employees and ask their experiences and advertise that experiences in the newspapers to hire right candidates for their organization. What they are providing, the best talent is used to provide the tangibility to the services given by the information technology companies. They use the budge of the viral marketing. What is the budge marketing? It's a word of mouth. So a person talking about the brand, person talking about the brand. Many times I have taken the example of the tea stall near the Samadevi Gully. He has not advertised, but I kept on telling in the class year after year because of his quality. People not talk about Friends Corner on the camp. So I talk about Friends Corner or Swami Bakery in the camp. And people talk, they have not advertised, but because of the word of mouth communications about the Friends Corner or the Swami Bakery, it has become a buzz. What is a viral marketing? It goes online. When the Google began his email campaign, they asked for the invitation only. That means they provided the Gmail access to few initially. Then these people shared the Gmail access to others. Gmail access to others. That time Hotmail and Yahoo were very popular. Because of the rich feature and the security, Gmail becomes so popular. Today, you don't find Rediffmail, Yahoo or Hotmail users in a large number. That is purely because of the viral marketing effort of the Google. You have to leverage the social media. That means I will be telling about the stories, I'll be creating the Instagram TVs, I'll be creating native ads, I'll be creating the services experiences on the Facebook or Instagrams or LinkedIn or the other Google platforms. So what I'm doing is I'm addressing the services intangibility by leveraging the social media. Modern days are having one more, that is influencer marketing on a social media. These people are unlike the celebrities, they have a limited number of followers, but they are very influential. They can tell the customers purchase only these goods or behave like this only, avail only these services. Now there is one more branch has come out, it is called as micro influencer marketing. These are highly influential in the influencer categories. They have a less than 10,000 followers, but many times the followers follow the instruction provided by the influencer. Now, modern marketers are targeting their services to these influencers. Asian Paint use their paint services using through the micro influencers. So they are providing the tangibility to the intangible services. I need to create advertising that generate talk because it is humorous, compelling, or unique. Some of the other services say advertisings are so clear. I used the Hutchison Mount 4 advertisement in the last class. The dog and a boy, that advertisement clicked. The Fevicol advertisement, you remember. The RAF advertisement, which is coming now in the TV, you remember, they are humorous. Therefore, the insurance advertisement, okay, I've seen ICICI Prudentials, the car comes suddenly and the woman was horrified because they don't know how to move. Therefore, they said, life can go anytime. Insure yourself. So it is compelling, unique, humorous. Such advertisements stand out in the competition and generated word of mouth or a talk among the people. What are the features a customer are looking at a particular services? Why the IKEA has become very popular all over the world for the furniture retail? Because there, okay, the design is so that any customer can adjust the furnitures on their own. They have instruction manual, online videos, then demonstration guides are there. So the customer can fit the furniture on their own. These features satisfied customers. The last one is generate the word of mouth through employee relationship. Your employees are a brand ambassador for the services. Therefore, use the employees to talk positive about your services, positive about the organization. Okay, have the respect from your employees. This will provide the tangibility to the intangible services. This is how I can address the issue of intangibility in the services communications. Any questions here?